Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to understand a protein profile on the protein data bank. Today we are looking at a hemoglobin profile. This protein was deposited in 1998. However, it wasn't released until later in the year. And one of the great things about the PDB is that it not only gives you all the information about the protein, but it gives you the information about the experiments in which you got the protein and the publication information. One of the great things to note about the PDB is that each entry gets a 4-digit unique identification. This way, we can keep track of all of our proteins and such. You also, on this main page, get a lot of information in general. Example, you get the DOI for the original paper, you get the classification and organism, along with the authors and researchers. In addition, you get the experimental data of how it was validated and such, along with a link to the paper through PubMed. One of my favorite features of the PDB is this 3D view. This view gives you, as the name says, a three-dimensional view of the protein. However, in the PDB, you can manipulate that. So you can change the way the protein is. This is space filling, or you can just see the backbone. A lot of scientists prefer to have the cartoon at this moment. You can also change the colors of the protein by secondary structure, by molecule type, and such. I prefer to keep it by chain because hemoglobin is a 4-chain molecule. As you can see, you can zoom in and you see the ligands. So we have our heme groups right here. You can also, with this, add all of the water molecules that are known to be in the area of the molecule. However, that can be a little overwhelming, so I tend to leave the water molecules off. In addition, you can see the sequence of the protein, which is really great and useful if you're doing comparison between other proteins. You can also look at the sequence similarity to others, and you get all of the experimental data. So those are just the basic things of the protein data bank and the protein